Welcome to the installation video for the TP-Carina. First, take the Allen wrench you received with the chair and loosen the screw for the locking pin by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the locking pin and bushing and separate the locking pin from the plastic bushing. Do this for both sides. Set them aside on the ground for now, you will be using them later. Next, connect the connectors and the air hose. Then, push the wires into the hole while moving the footrest closer to the chair. Insert the plastic on the outside of the hole for the footrest, then align the locking pin on the inside with the flat side facing upwards. Align the footrest with the chair and then push the locking pin inwards to connect the two. Do this for both sides. Take the Allen wrench and then screw clockwise to tighten. Do this for both sides. Now lift up the seat cushion off of the velcro. Connect the velcro from the footrest. Finally, pull down the seat cushion and you are done. That was the installation video for the TP-Carina.